Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how you can use Obsidian inside Claude AI. I will take you step by step from complete beginner to the pro. So first, let's understand what Obsidian actually is. Obsidian is a note-taking app where all your notes live as a plain files on your own computer. Here's where it gets good. You can connect Obsidian to Claude AI. What that does is basically Claude use everything you have stored in your vault because your notes lives in one place. It is really easy for Claude to fetch any information. For example, let's suppose I have already connected with my Claude AI and now I have to fetch my personal information. Let's say my monthly budget. Give me my monthly budget. It will go to my this Obsidian vault and fetch that information which I have stored into my vault and give me the answer. Now, as you can see here, this is my monthly budget, which is only accessible to this Obsidian. So now let's start how you can create and what these are. I will explain each and everything, and at the end of this video, I will show you how you can connect this. And connecting is very simple. So what you are looking at here, this is Obsidian application. Now to download, you have to just search Obsidian on your browser and download it, and after downloading it will show something like this. This is basically untitled note. And the top you will find there are folders. In that folders you can store plain text. Basically, for example, I have prepared, this is my vault where I have entered everything like my areas, finances and health, what is my health, and books which I am reading right now, and I have taken some note as well. So I have added that. Each folder contained everything regarding that folder. For example, if books, there is a book folder. In that book folder I have some atomic habits book which is I have stored here, and as well as daily notes. And as you can see, I have been collecting every daily note. So it takes a lot of time to build this second brain, and once it got created, it is a lot easier to Claude AI to understand you. So these are some basic function, and in the right left side you have open quick switcher, and then as well as this is help you to open a graph. A graph is basically a visual representation of whatever file you have uploaded or created on the Obsidian. Right now we have this one common file, and this one common file is connected each file. For example, this is the file which is look like this, and it has everything like project, areas, people, meeting, reading, and each text content a link of that page, as you can see here. So this is what I have created, and right now I'm working on it to build a good mind, and it is still in early stage. So yeah, this is how you can see and understand Obsidian. Now let's understand how you can create this. So with the help of Claude AI or Claude Code, it is a lot easier to create Obsidian or Vault. So you don't need to open a Vault again and again and upload mine. You can give Claude Code anything. For example, let's suppose I would say I have create me a vault with my personal information. So now, as you can see, I have given a prompt to create a vault. If you haven't understand what is vault, you can say it's a workspace. It's just simple as that. It has a different name in Obsidian. So I will just hit enter, and it will go through my system and check whether I have downloaded the Obsidian or not, and it will run the command. Now as you can see, it is creating the vault. Now Cloud Code has created me this Obsidian database. Let me just go to my new, you can just collapse this. Now as you can see, it is created me this short vault, and in that vault we have some files like billing, groceries and gym. If I want to see the visual representation of it, then I can just simply open this graph, and you can see it is connected with 5 different files. This is a main, and these all files is connected with this home. So whenever let's suppose I want to access my gym information, and I will update the gym information. For example, today I go to gym and I had some update regarding my gym. I can just tell to Claude Code or Claude Chat, and it will update that file. It will help me to track everything. It will help me to fetch everything. It is far easier to build a RAG model. So that is how you can use in Claude AI. There are two ways you can use Claude Obsidian in Claude Code and Claude Chat. First, you can use MCP, and the second one, you can just give the path to Claude Code or Claude Chat. It is a lot easier, and you can give a full access. Right now I have given the bypass permission, so it is able to go and access my all of files and created this beautiful visual representation of that. So this is how you can use Obsidian in Claude AI. So there are different use cases of it, and yeah, you can use Obsidian in Claude AI, and it's totally free. And the one of the biggest point which I feel is it is basically you are creating your own database, and basically you are creating your own digital self in your own computer. So yeah, this is what Obsidian is. So there are a lot of use cases. You have to just go and play with it. So that's it for today's video, and if you found this video helpful, then subscribe to our channel, and thanks for watching.